So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy DAI coin, ticker symbol DAI in Canada on Wealthsimple. So once you're into your Wealthsimple account, make sure to go into your crypto account. When you're there, go to the bottom left and press on the magnifying glass. Then on this screen, just scroll down a little bit until you come across trending categories and press on crypto. Then to find DAI coin, ticker symbol DAI, just scroll down until you come across it. So as you can tell, it's actually right here, ticker symbol DAI. I'll just press on that right there. Now to purchase it, go to the bottom left and press on buy. Then on this screen, type in however much money you want to invest into DAI coin. So if you wanted to do $2, I'll press in $2 and then press continue. And then to confirm your order, after you press continue, and then to confirm your order, simply just go to the bottom and press on confirm order. And that is how you guys can buy DAI coin, ticker symbol DAI in Canada on Wealthsimple. I hope this video helped.